Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my regular braid out, but using my cream from my brand Hairlistica. Looks like that. So in my last video I showed you how I use like my other products in my wash day routine, but some of y'all wanted me to show y'all how I use my cream. So I normally use it for a braid out, or I use it when I do like sleek ponytails. Like before applying the gel to my hair, I like to use a cream so that my hair won't over dry. So yeah, so today I'm gonna show you how I make my braid out. So I'm gonna use my moisturizing hair cream and also my hydrating hair mist from my brand. Okay, so first of all, I'm just gonna separate my hair into two. Then I'm gonna detangle that part a bit. I'm gonna spray some water, just a little bit, so that my hair can be a little bit damp. I don't want to be like dripping wet, just damp. And then I'm gonna use my hydrating hair mist. So yeah, shake. And then I'm gonna use my comb just so that I can distribute the product like everywhere. And then after that, that's when I'm gonna use my cream. So it looks like that, like it's a thick cream, so you don't need a lot. So I'm gonna start with that and just like rub it and the ends. And then all that's left to do is just braid. Okay, we got one done. So I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. So just detangle first, then apply some water, then my hydrating hair mist, some cream, yeah. So now I'm just gonna braid again this side. I don't know why my braids always do that. Like, does your braids do that too? Anyways, okay, so now I'm done braiding my hair. So I'm gonna leave it for the rest of the day, for the time that it sets, the time that it gets dry, and also I'm gonna sleep with it, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning and show you what my braid out look like. Hi people, so I am back. So I'm just gonna unravel my braid. So I just pinned like the ends to sleep. So now we're gonna unravel those braids. Look at that definition. Yo, look at that definition, guys. Look at the shine also, like it's so shiny, so moisturized, so soft. But y'all know that I like my braid out to be like a bit bigger, a bit less defined, so I'm just gonna comb through it a bit. Yo, it's so soft, guys. Yo, it looks so good. Yeah, so that's it for my braid out tutorial with my Hairlistica hair care products. I hope you like it as much as I do, because I really do love it. Look at that. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to watch one of the videos that I posted before. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, to share it with all your friends, to comment, do all that stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in another one. Bye, guys.